And here we are at 11 p.m. It's really a whiteout down there. Notice a lot of the headlights are turned off because these cars haven't moved in probably about 3 hours now. They're just continue to be at a standstill. Haven't figured out how to move them off of Lakeshore Drive. Lake is still frozen. Waves are not crashing up, which is good. Let's walk over, excuse me, to the northern view. And you can see the snow really coming down. And you can barely see the cars on Lakeshore Drive. The wind is really blowing a lot. I think maybe you can see that in the video. I'm going to try to zoom. So, I mean, there's just very little visibility. And here we are at 2 o'clock in the morning. There's an emergency vehicle back there. Cars are completely stopped. It looks like some of the cars have been moved off during the night because it's down to 3 lanes instead of 4. Snow is still falling. Boy, I feel sorry for those people down there. And the lake is still frozen, which is a good thing. It's 4:20 a.m. There are all sorts of emergency vehicles in the southbound lanes. And this is the bus that's clogging the North Avenue exit that caused all the problems. And here we are at just about 6:30 in the morning. The cars seem to have been abandoned. Tow trucks are working to move cars off to the side so that they're not, there's one that's actually trying to park it off to the side. Just to make it easier for streets and sanitation to come in with plows, but boy, I never thought I would ever see Lakeshore Drive turn into a parking lot graveyard. That's something. We'll take a look towards the north as well. You can see that the cars are gone. The bus that is causing the trouble is still there. They've not moved that. And then the multiple tow trucks are trying to move cars. Well, there you have it. Here we are now at 7:30. The tow trucks are still trying to work to remove the cars. The plows are on the drive, and they're actually now moving the bus. Let's pan over to the north, which has been the source of all the aggravation. There are the trucks trying to remove the bus from the North Avenue exit. There you go, Lakeshore Drive at the beginning of the day. And there's a flatbed. I think it appeared that it was trying to push snow off to the side. But anyway, there's Lakeshore Drive at the beginning of the day. And there's the Streets and Sand plow, trying to get some snow out of the way there. There's the parking lot. Can't see the Hancock. Oh, you can barely see it right there in the distance. And then mercifully, the ice has held on the lake. So we did not have those crashing waves they were talking about.